What up, tube? Today is Wednesday, March 4th. No, April 4th. Sorry. My day off. Hanging out with the fams today. Right now I'm headed up to the canyon. I'm gonna go fly my drone up there. Give you guys some footage of what my what the Azusa canyons look like. It's beautiful up there. After that, later this afternoon, we're going with my daughter to go see my new grandbaby that's coming. She should be a girl, but we're gonna go do a 3D ultrasound today with her, so we can go see what's going on with her, welcome the baby in together. So I'll take you guys along with me on that one too. All right, so right now we're gonna head up to the canyon. I'm gonna give you guys some footage of what the canyon looks like on the way up there, so you guys can get a glimpse of it. I'll time lapse it and get it up faster. All right, see you guys in a little bit. So me and my baby are sitting here. We're about to have some breakfast. We're up in the canyon. We brought breakfast with us. And as soon as we're done, we're gonna go fly the drone right now. Get some footage of the river. Biscuits and gravy's on the menu.
Oh, there goes that. Just in case I die. Come over here, baby, where it's like, it's more footing, better footing.
pulled up right now at the imaging place. We're about to go see what our new grandbaby girl's gonna look like in the stomach cupboard.
Yep.
In the womb.
Get over here.
We're here at the imaging center. We're about ready to go inside right now to see the new grandbaby.
Because you could do your gender reveal here.
Bells,
No.
are you ready to see your sister?
Like they'll
Yeah?
announce it on the thing. Like no one
Are you
knows.
excited now? Yeah?
They'll announce it and say,
This is a pregnant mama right here.
But instead of going to the light, you're gonna make
You excited?
yes.
You excited, mamas? Yeah?
And chips.
Chips. Hey.
Wait, 1, 2.
The parents right here. Getting ready.
It's over here, baby.
I have the ultrasound done right now.
I'm gonna start in black and white, kind of point out what's which. And then we'll go into the 3 and 4.
You're starting up right now?
She's looking straight at us.
Yeah, she is.
Go over here to the screen better. There's the first real look. My new grandbaby girl.
Right here is really good. That was a good shot.
Ultrasound's over. Now we're gonna head to get some pizza at the farms.
Oh, you want one? Yes.
Dinner time. Chow time. Ooh, look at that, guys. Shakeys. Never go wrong with Shakeys. PCM. Pizza, Mojos, and chicken. Oh, my dad used to love Shakeys. That was his favorite. Alright guys, we're gonna eat now.